If you want to check who exactly has seen your stories on Instagram, the process for doing so is extremely simple. So today we'll be going over exactly how to do it, both on the desktop version and also on the mobile app. So let's start off with the former. Once you are on Instagram.com, you want to head into your profile. Then once you're there, click on your profile picture to view your stories. Then in the bottom left corner, you'll see a quick preview of who has seen it, but if you click on that preview, you'll get a complete list of everyone that has seen the story so far. If you have multiple, then you can just simply scroll to the next one and you'll see a unique view account for every single story you currently have active. Now, you can't see any of this after the story has expired after 24 hours, so you can't retroactively see who has seen your story after it's gone from your profile, so you have to do it while the story is still live. So now let's go over the same process but on mobile instead, and it's going to look pretty much identical on both Android and on iOS. First and foremost, what you want to do is go into your profile, so we can do that by just tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right. Then once you're there, you want to tap once again your profile picture, this time the much bigger one near the top of the screen. Then once you're there, you want to go into activity for the given story, and you'll see a list of everyone who has seen it yet again, just like on the desktop version. And once again, you can see a specific view count and who has exactly seen it for every single story currently active on your profile in the same way. So that's exactly how you can see who has seen your stories on Instagram, both on desktop and on mobile. If you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.